Hello everyone, welcome back. So now, today it's time for our EVS class. And in EVS, we have been learning about different animals. Then we have learned about their sounds, how their young ones look and what we call them. Isn't it? This is what we have done in our yesterday's EVS class, where we have understood what type of what are the names we call their young ones with, like cat, kitten, dog, puppy, sheep, lamb, hen, chick, horse, foal, isn't it? Duck, duckling. So we have learned about their young ones yesterday. Now, what are we going to do today? Today we are going to understand how these animals are helpful to us. Whenever we are learning about different farm animals, I have always been telling you that why we keep these animals on farm? Because they help us in some or the other way. Isn't it? Today we are going to learn about those animals who are helping us by giving some or the other thing to make our life easy and comfortable. For example, every morning we wake up and we drink something which gives us a lot of energy, makes our bones strong. Isn't it? What is that? Milk. Very good. So when you drink milk, have you ever thought from where we get this milk? We get it from cow, buffalo, isn't it? Cow hair, buffalo hair, they give us milk. Okay, this is about milk. Now, some of us like to eat egg in the breakfast, either in the form of boiled egg or omelette, or not only as in breakfast. These eggs, they are used in bakery shops for making cake, cookies and so many other things. So from where are we getting these so many eggs? Who is giving us eggs? Hen is giving us eggs. Yes. So we have understood about milk, egg. Now winter is coming. It's almost has started. Mama must have started giving you honey in the milk, or she must have started giving you honey so that it keeps you warm. Isn't it? और honey मीठी मीठी होती है, we all like eating it. So who is giving us honey? Honey कहाँ से मिलता है हमें? Yes, we get it from honeybee, madhumakhi. What she do? She goes on different flowers, collect the juices and then make honey for us. And we get honey from these honeybees. Fruits and vegetables कहाँ से मिलते हैं? From tree. वो animal नहीं देते हैं. So, not only trees and plants, animals are also giving us so many things. Now see, winters have started. Mom is wearing a sweater, isn't it? You all must also be wearing. So, from where are we getting these sweaters? They are made of wool now. So, you need wool to make them. So, who is giving you the wool? Sheep is giving you the wool, isn't it? So, like this, there are many more animals, those who give us different things to make our life little easy and comfortable. Let's study about these animals. Let's see their pictures and understand what are the different things we are getting from these animals. Let's begin with the work then. Let's start.
So class, now let's learn about some animals who give us different things that we need and use in our daily life. So the first one here we have is a cow. Can you see who's it? It's a cow. Cow makes the sound moo. And what we get from cow? We get milk from cow. Cow is the one who gives us milk every day and we become strong with this milk only. Do you know what these cows they like to eat? They love to eat green grass. And they live in shed. Where these cows live, they live in shed. And we all know baby of a cow is called calf. Yes. Now the next one we have is duck. So I told you what we call the babies of a duck? They are called ducklings. Do you know where they live? They all live in pond. And what we get from these ducks? We get egg and meat from ducks. Clear? And these ducks, they like to eat small fish and worms which are available in the pond. ठीक है, pond में जो होते हैं. Okay? Next one we have is, who is this? Hen. Yes. So what is the baby of a hen called? Chick. We call it a chick. What's the sound made by a hen? Cluck, 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 cluck is the sound made by a hen. And you know what we get from these hen? From hen also we get eggs and meat, just like we get from ducks. And these hens, they like to eat vegetables and grains. And can you see, this is the house of a hen, which is called coop. So the house of a hen is called coop. Clear? And what we get from hen? We get eggs and meat from hen. Next one we have is sheep. So I told you what we call the baby sheep. We call it a lamb, isn't it? And you know where these sheep they like to live? They live in pen. Clear? Now the sound of the sheep is ba, ba. And all these sheep, they give us wool. Something which we need to make sweaters to protect ourselves from winters. And these sheep, they like to eat green grass and legumes. Understood? Next we have is a pig. So what is the baby pig called? It's called piglet. And these pig, they make the sound oink 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 oink. And they live in stay. कीचड़ में रहना पसंद होता है उनको. You know what we get from these pig? Pork, ham, leather, even the some part of pig's body is used for making medicines. And these pig, they like to eat fruits, vegetables and leftover food. So what is leftover food? जो खाना बचा हुआ होता है, बचा पुराना खाना, they like to eat that. Next we have is zzz. कौन करता है? Who do it like this? Honey bee, madhumakhi. And you know, these honey bees, they give us honey and bee wax. And these bee wax is used for making different lotions. To जो भी हम winters में creams and lotions use करते हैं, these bee wax is used in it. And honey, again, we all know it's very sweet in taste. Now, can you see something here? I'll show you by pointing. Can you see this yellow part? This is bee wax. This is the hive where these bees, they collect the honey. Understood? और ये वाला जो है ना, this is showing that all the honey bees are here. और जब वो honey bee flasks के पास अपना nectar इकट्ठा करने जाती है, उनसे juices लेने जाती है, then the hive look like this. Understood, class? Now here, lot of honey bees are sitting. and this hive is with very less honeybees. Understood? Now, the next one we have is a goat, and the baby of a goat is called kid. Can you see here we have? It is called kid. And these goat, they live in pen. Again, these goat also, they live in pen like sheeps, and the sound they make is clear? And what we get from these goats? We get milk and meat from goat. And they like to eat hay, grass, grains. Things like this is loved by goats. Understood all? I hope you have understood about different animals and things we get from them. Bye all. Take care. Keep revising the word.